Welcome to the AIC homepage. We want to call your attention to an important training on city budgeting that's available to you on the on-demand video training. Please click that button and you'll find very important budget information. This online training provides information on the city budgeting process, important information about projecting revenue for upcoming fiscal year for your city, and the tremendous amount of legal requirements that you must know in order to do good budgeting for your city. We also want to encourage you to do more than just meet the minimum legal requirements. We also encourage you to look at budgeting as an opportunity for the elected officials and the city staff to engage with the citizens in your community, to come together and to look very long-term through strategic planning and a discussion of the important things of your city, what your city is today and what you would like it to be in the future. The further that you look out long-term, the better your short-term decisions will be. In fact, making decisions just on a fiscal year basis, on a 12-month basis, is very short-term. So it's important to put that in context and look as far out on the horizon as possible. And it'll be a more endurable process. It'll be more productive. You'll find solutions. You'll see that your city is working better together in charting the course for your city. And we both thank you, we compliment you as city officials for the very important work that you're doing. Budgeting is a daunting challenge, particularly in these difficult economic times. It's not easy. Yours is a difficult task. We applaud you for your courage. We commend you for your interest in serving your community, and we wish you the very best. And also tell you that AIC staff is available to you at any time to help you, assist you, answer any questions that you have. Please call us. We have a toll-free number, 800-344-8594. You can also contact us by email. And again, we hope you take advantage of the budget training available to you on the on-demand video available through the AIC webpage.